Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Coach RBC po muli. So welcome to our shopping reward platform. Ang kikita ka sa gastos mo at sa gastos ng iba. Ito po yung ating presentations na pag-uusapan po natin. Malaking tulong po ito kasi ito po ay pwedeng magsilbi na livelihood program po natin. Pagkakakitaan po natin sa ating mga gastos araw-araw. So just sit back and relax po mga ka-shoppers. Complete versions po, halos lahat itatakil po natin sa ating discussions po natin. Kaya sa mga makakapanood at makakapakinig ng presentations po natin, pakinggan po natin maigi. So let's concentrate first muna mga ka-shoppers para wala tayong ma-miss sa ating discussions po dito kay EMS. Para tuloy-tuloy po yung ating mga presentations mga ka-shoppers. At kung may mga katanungan kayo, pwede nyo po itanong yan mamaya po mga ka-shoppers. Talagang napakaganda po ng pag-uusapan po natin. Kasi talagang advocacy na po ang platform po talaga ni EMS mga ka-shoppers. So pag-uusapan po natin lahat ito. Okay? So share na po natin yung ating PowerPoint para po makapag-start na po tayo dito kay EMS po mga ka-shoppers. So welcome to our company mga ka-shoppers. Okay, so ating company po ay EMS Membership Shopping. Ito po ay shopping concept na kikita ka sa gastos. So tama po yung nabasa niyo po mga ka-shoppers. This is an opportunity na platform po na na-develop po namin. This was created more than 10 years trial and error. Kaya na-perfect po natin kung paano tayo magkakaroon ng kita sa ating mga gastos araw-araw mga ka-shoppers. Okay? So ngayon, pakilala po muna namin yung company profile natin para magkaroon kayo ng idea. So our company registration sa Security and Exchange Commission ay EMS Membership Shopping Corp. Okay, so we are registered last September 22, 2020 with a registrations numbers po mga ka-shoppers. And we comply with some legalities and document, and our office is located at Quezon City, Metro Manila, near Boni Serrano po. Para meron kayong basis po. Yan po yung ating mga company. Okay? Ngayon, to check the company, if the company is fully registered talaga, kasi marami po dyan ng mga nag-ooperate na hindi naman documented. So EMS is complying all any legalities ng government. So sa SEC po, pwede kayong mag-download ng SEC Gov. Okay? Security Exchange Commission sa Google Play po. Okay, pag nakapag-download po kayo, you can check and select nyo po yung category na company name, tapos i-type nyo po yung full name ng company. Okay, then lalabas po dyan, the registrations, the SEC number, date approved, para makita nyo po kung yung company ay legit o hindi. Yan po, para at least meron kayong basis po dyan kay EMS. Okay, then EMS Membership Shopping Corp. So this is a new innovations of a shopping reward concept or a new trend of a shopping reward system that allows the shoppers to build a network of consumers. So ang binibuild po natin dito, network of consumers. Yung mga mamimili na mga consumers po, yung mga gumagastos araw-araw. And then, it's earned, okay, from their purchases through leveraging program. So may referral program po tayo dito. Yung mga mare-refer po natin ng mga kamag-anak natin, mga kaibigan natin, mga kapitbahay natin, we will also benefited from their expenses. And now, all shoppers have now the opportunity to earn in all expenses. So yan po yung drive ng advocacy po natin kay EMS para mas lalo po nating maunawaan. Ngayon, to check the company, if long-term po talaga siya, dapat po ang company may objective and advocacy. Kumbaga meron talaga siyang vision and mission. Hindi ho basta nagtayo lang ng kumpanya. Para yung mga wino-workout po natin ng mga company or sasalihan natin na company, alam natin na pang long-term ang company kasi may directions. Okay? May objective. Kumbaga may purpose. Importante kasi yun eh. Yung directions po ng company na tatahakin niya. So hindi lang po siya basta nagtayo ng company, hanggang doon na lang po. Karamihan po kasi dyan, tinayo yung company, hindi malalim yung kanilang pundasyon, kaya karamihan po na nagtatayo ay kumukolapse. Okay? Number one, objective and advocacy ng company. So we are targeting that every consumer has a chance to earn while spending. Kasi matagal na ho tayong gumagastos mga ka-shopper. So simula po supplier down to retail store, ang end user po ang burden ng kita sa gastos. Ang kumikita lang po ay yung mga business owner, yung mga binilihan natin. Pero yung mismong consumer na bumili, hindi ho kasama sa kumikita. So that's why limited po yung ating finances. Kaya yung ating kinikita sa ating pagtatrabaho, yung sinasweldo natin ng 15-30, kulang na kulang po sa ating mga gastusin araw-araw. Only the businesses who was in a higher level, yung mga business tycoon, yung mga malalaking businesses, kumikita po ng malaki yan. Pero if you are a small enterprise, mga maliit po na mga businesses, ikaw ay microfinance na pinifinance lang yung businesses ng mga maliliit. Kasi pag mga small scale businesses po talaga, limited lang din naman ang kinikita niyan sa kanyang negosyo po mga ka-shoppers. Talagang struggle din po sa finances. So kaya ang gagawin natin, lahat ng mga businesses po talaga, mga may-ari, na lalo-lalo na yung mga tycoon, kumikita po talaga ng malaki. Kaya lang yung tinutubo lahat niyan, pati yung operational expenses, even the tax, okay, na binabayaran po sa government, lahat po yan, nakapatong po yan sa presyo na binibili ho natin araw-araw. Lalong-lalo na yung mga basic commodities, mga bigas, itlog, mantika, mga gulay, karne, grocery, everything po. So okay, so yan yung ating objective, that our 110 million Filipinos magkaroon po ng bahagi ng kita sa gastos. So that this is number 2, our objective and advocacy is to have a financial stability. Magkakaroon ka ng financial stability if ma-overpower mo yung gastos. Kasi mas malaki yung ginagastos ho natin kaysa income ho natin. Kaya nangyari, struggle talaga tayo. Negative tayo, minsan nagkakanda utang-utang pa. So dapat, kumikita ho tayo ng higit doon sa ating ginagastos araw-araw. To solve that, on top of our income habang nagtatrabaho, okay mga ka-shoppers, so bawat gumastos, dapat kasama ka sa kumikita. So that is additional income from our fixed employment salary. So madadagdagan ngayon yung iyong kinikita kasi pagdating sa gastos, kabahagi ka na ng kita. So that's our target, na magkaroon ng bahagi ng kita yung lahat ng consumers around the world. Mag-umpisa po tayo dito sa Pilipinas because this is a Filipino-owned company. And ang maganda nito, number 3 objective and advocacy ng company is to help the government, okay, in unemployment rate. Ang dami pong walang trabaho. Okay, sa pag-apply pa lang ng trabaho, ang dami ng requirements, lalo na ngayon. AI na, artificial intelligence, yung nagagawa ng mga tao, yung 10 tao na mag-ooperate, na magtatrabaho, kaya trabahoy na lang ng isang machine. Kaya ang dami pong nali-layoff, ang daming walang trabaho. So, in these cases, we will helping and we're gonna help our government. Kasi this is livelihood program. Yun po yung drive natin kay EMS. Ngayon, para ma-solve po natin yung unemployment problem na yan, isa po sa ating kalaban, okay, ay dapat mabigyan ng nationwide livelihood program lahat ng ating mga kababayan sa Pilipinas. Kasi unang-una, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, if limited lang yung resources ng pangkabuhayan, talagang marami pong nasa poverty level. Okay, kaya we will give a massive livelihood program. So we will encourage all shoppers to be part of our consumers community advocacy. At the same time, we will also partner with all businesses around the country para po lahat ng mga ginagastusan natin, pati tayo makasama po na kumita sa ating gastos araw-araw. At the same time, so to fight war against poverty. Kasi kailangan talaga masolusyonan po yan mga ka-shoppers. Kasi marami po talagang naghihirap. Okay, the only solution to solve that ay magkaroon ka ng kita habang gumagastos. Kasi ang gastos po talaga unlimited yan. Ang gastos po talaga walang katapusan yan. Never ending expenses. So everyday na lang na ginawa ho natin araw-araw. Marami tayong mga bayarin, buwan-buwan. Araw-araw gumagastos po tayo. Kaya kung hindi ho tayo magkakaroon ng opportunity na kumita, okay, magkaroon ng bahagi ng kita sa ating ginagastos araw-araw, talagang hindi natin masosolve lahat yan. But in EMS platform, along the way you will see what we are going to point out para mas lalo niyong maintindihan. Pinapaunawa ko lang sa inyo po mga ka-shoppers kasi hindi natin kailangan madaliin ang presentation. Hindi natin kailangan madaliin ang pakikinig. Kailangan po, once na umpisahan niyo po to, intindihin po natin, isa-puso po natin mga ka-shoppers. Kasi ang tagal na ho talaga nating talagang kapos. Okay, 90% of populations of our country kapos na kapos, maging sa ibang bansa mga ka-shoppers. At ang dami rin nating mga OFW sa ibang bansa, talaga namang na-miss na nila yung kanilang mga mahal sa buhay. They want to for good, okay, na bumalik ng Pilipinas. Hindi ho nila magawa. Minsan bakasyon lang, 2 linggo, 1 linggo, babalik na ng abroad. Mawawalay na naman sa pamilya. So if we have an opportunity like this in EMS, talagang malaki ang magiging tulong po talaga natin. At the same time, we put EMS not to compete with other company because one of our advocacy and objective is we don't compete. We make alliances, we collaborate. Hindi na po ito panahon ng paglalaban-laban or pagkakaroon ng pagiging kompetensya. Okay? Kaya nga, we collaborate. We make alliances. We don't compete. We just created a platform to connect all businesses in one platform. At the same time, the target of the businesses and the business owner is the market, which is the consumer. Okay? Tayo naman mga consumer, ang ginawa naman ho natin, okay, binigyan natin ng opportunity, a ready system that the consumers magkaroon ng kita sa bawat gastos. So kanino po sila gumagastos? Sa mga store owner, grocery, sari-sari store, palengke. Think of any type of businesses nationwide kung saan tayo gumagastos araw-araw. So it's a united beyond all businesses and consumers. So ganun po kaganda ang platform po natin kay EMS. Ngayon, if you are familiar with all of this Suki card, okay, mga loyalty card. So, ano yan ginastusan ng ng merchant company. Okay, yung mga established businesses. So, they pay a system, a software para makapagbigay ng reward, and then they print a Suki card physical card. Okay, na kung saan doon ay stored po yung mga generated points na na-accumulate every time bibili ka sa merchant nila. So this is traditional Suki card. Ito ay magagamit sa kanilang participating merchant at pagpunta mo sa kabila, ibang Suki card na naman. So some merchant, they selling the Suki card for 200 pesos. Yung iba naman po ay 150 pesos. Yung iba naman ay 50 pesos. Yung iba naman ay 750 pesos. Okay? Yung iba naman, they're selling 1,000 pesos because it's a membership card doon sa kanilang businesses na kung saan magagamit mo yan the whole period of 1 year. Kaya marami kang mga perks po dyan. Okay? Kaya lang sa dami ng merchant, ang dami mong bibilihin na Suki card. And then may mga merchant naman nagpagawa ng system para sa software, okay, para makapag-generate ng points yung tumatangkilik sa kanila. And that points can be used, okay, as a sort of discount. So pwede mong gamitin yan, buy ka ng cash, kung ilan yung points na gagamitin mo, maliles doon sa actual cash na babayaran mo. That is traditional Suki card. Or kung enough na yung points mo, you can use the whole amount. Okay, in exchange doon sa item na bibilihin mo. Kaya yung nakakaipon ka ng points, malaking bagay po yan. So hindi na po siya outright discount na nakales ka ng binayaran. So it's a generated points na ang mangyayari, magkakaroon ng in exchange of items doon sa gamit-gamit yung points na naipon mo. Kaya nga lang, itong traditional na to, magagamit lang po to sa certain merchants nila. At ito po ay sa mga established businesses. Hindi po karamihan kasi yan na may Suki card po sa mga small scale businesses kagaya ng mga nagtitinda ng palamig, barbecue, yung mga maliliit na sari-sari store, palengke. Kaya wala pong traditional na Suki card kasi it requires a device, a machine, okay, para magamit po yung reward points, something like that. So it's a loyalty, okay, to incentivize the customer. Yung iba tawag po dyan cashback. Okay? Para at least magkaroon ng balik tangkilik yung mga customer na bumibili. So binigyan lang namin kayo ng idea. Pero naman merchant, they give it for free, the cards. Okay, kaya lang, you need to generate or you have a minimum purchase for you to avail the points. Pag hindi ka nakapag-generate ng minimum amount of purchase, wala ka rin naman points. So depende sa diskarte. Okay, iba nga 750 ang benta. Iba naman 1,000 talaga because it's a membership card or a membership club doon sa kanilang business na marami kang magagamit. Yung iba naman talagang may enjoy mo. Kasi once you open visit to their store, yung parking libre, something like that. Okay? Kaya bukod doon sa points na na-generate mo, minsan may discount pa additional. So depende na yan po sa merchant companies. Okay? Pero ang advantage ng kinrate natin kay EMS, we created itong pinakabagong all-in-one Suki card. So it's a digital Suki card. Gamit yung mobile phone po natin. So i-access mo yung cellphone mo. Magkakaroon ka ng digital Suki card. It's a QR code based, okay, na meron kang user access bilang consumers members ni EMS. Okay? Pero every time you purchase, you shop, ang maganda nito, bawat bili mo, meron kang kita sa bawat gastos mo. Ngayon, you're not limited doon sa sarili mong gastos. Kasi once you refer na mag-avail din ng Suki card, yung mga kamag-anak kilala mo, bawat bili ho nila sa participating merchant store nationwide. So ang laki ng coverage. Because ang target natin is 42,000 barangays under ng 81 provinces. So ganun kalaki. Sa isang barangay, ilan ang may sari-sari store? Ilan ang may grocery? Ilan ang may palengke? Kaya buong Pilipinas ang target po natin. Kasi once you refer, a consumer, a customer like you, may kita ka pa sa gastos ng iba. You heard it right. Talagang may kita ka pa sa gastos ng mga iba. Na mga na-refer mo. Pati yung na-refer nila, meron ka pa rin income po doon mga ka-shoppers. Okay? Ganon kaganda at ka-exciting. Kasi sa totoo lang, matagal na tayo consumer pero hindi naman tayo talaga kumikita sa gastos. So, ilang panahon na yung dumaan. Ilang platform na rin ang tinatangkilik sa Pilipinas. Andiyan ang mga online shopping platform. Okay? The customer is giving just only a reward points. But in EMS, it's an income opportunity. Bakit? Yung points na na-generate mo, convertible to cash, na we withdraw. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, makaka-generate ka ng income talaga dito. Hindi lang basta nakaipon ka ng points na gagamitin mo pang purchase or pwedeng maging form of discount pag bumili ka sa merchant store nila. Yung points na naiipon mo, you can use that only to the specific store. Pero sa iba, hindi mo na magamit. Pero in EMS, ang maganda nito, lahat ng mga store partners natin, you can purchase to them directly. And then you can generate points. So, lahat ng na-generate mo in all our participating merchant store, naiipon yon at pwede mong withdrawin mga ka-shoppers. Okay? Kaya if you generate thousands of shoppers, sa piso na lang, meron ka ng 1,000 pesos. Hindi mo na gastos yun mga ka-shoppers kasi yung referral program natin. Okay? Ngayon, ang maganda kasi dito kay EMS, we partner with the different types of stores nationwide. Basta kung saan ka gumagastos. Okay? So kayo, na mga ka-shoppers natin, kung saan kayong area sa buong Pilipinas, just refer the existing store kung saan kayo bumibili, gawin natin silang merchant. Tapos, lalo nating tangkilikin yung mga store owner. Okay? Kasi itong mga store owner na to, ito po talaga ay may mga generous heart naman talaga. Kasi nagbibigay naman ng discount eh. But, a little bit, we twist the discount. Instead of asking and giving an outright discount, we convert it into a reward allocations para maging income opportunity. Okay? Ganon kaganda at ka-exciting yung platform po natin kay EMS. At sino-sino yung pwede maging merchant? Lahat po, from A to Z businesses. Okay? Barbershop, LPG dealer, grocery store, drugstore, pharmacy, hotel and resort, online store, computer shop, mga fast food, any type of store from A to Z. That is our target to penetrate. At ang maganda, we cater everything. Okay? Kahit anong brand pa ng convenience store yan, pwede nating maging merchant, lahat sila. Lechon manok, lahat sila. Pharmacy, lahat sila. So this is not limited. Kaya sabi ko nga, we don't compete, we make alliances. This is for the welfare of 110 million Pilipino na magkaroon ng bahagi ng kita sa ating ginagastos araw-araw mga ka-shoppers. Okay? Ngayon, ang gagawin lang po natin dito, si merchant store will share a certain percentage. Example, 3% or more from the gross sales na binayaran natin. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, that will be converted into an EMS reward allocation as profit sharing. So, meaning si customer, pagbili kay merchant, so ipaprocess po yun sa ating merchant portal. So, we have a system, okay, na nagko-compute ng profit sharing. So, ibig sabihin, ang mangyayari, it will be processed by the system. So, si customer, direktang magbabayad kay merchant. We don't collect payment. So, we don't hold any payment in behalf of the merchant. Customer will pay directly kay merchant account. At the same time, kukumpute na system yon. If the merchant shares a 3% from 100 pesos, yung 3 piso paghahatian. Okay? Kung magkano yung kinita ni merchant, yung 3 piso, that will be shared by the community. Eh kung si merchant, shoppers din natin kasi yan eh. So, parte ka rin ng sharing doon sa 3% na binigay ni merchant. Ang good news, kahit sa ibang merchant store, okay, yung customer mo kikita ka. Pag bumili sa ibang store, may kita ka pa rin. So, it will be shared to the whole community. Both merchant and shoppers harness a sharing mechanism concept na hindi lang store owner ang kikita, pati yung customer na loyal na bumibili sa store ay may bahagi na rin ng kita sa bawat gastos araw-araw. Para mas malinaw at lalo nating maintindihan po yan mga ka-shopper, let's go into breakdown. So this is the computations. So example, sa breakdown ng reward allocations natin, kung amount purchase ni customer A 100 pesos and he agreed dun sa 3%, the reward allocation is 3 pesos mga ka-shoppers. And that 3 pesos reward allocations, 10% of 3 pesos, which is 0.3, that will be converted into points, okay, that will be a points allocations to shoppers who buy. So, ibig sabihin, yun yung mapupunta. Kasi hati-hatiin po yung reward allocation. Okay? At the same time, we have another one. Okay? 3 pesos reward allocation, okay, other percentage, which is 50% of that 3 pesos will be converted into 50%, which is 1.5 points allocation. Okay, that which goes to referral, rewards, and incentives, mga ka-shoppers. So, ibig sabihin, mapupunta na yan, sharing reward na yan ng mga nag-refer. O kaya nag-build, okay, ng consumers community. Nag-refer ng mga consumers, kagaya ho nila kay EMS. Okay? And of course, meron pang natitirang 40%. And that 40% allocation, which is 1.2 points allocation, it's for the company departments and system maintenance. Siyempre, kailangan naman mag-profit din ni company because company has a system to maintain para tuloy-tuloy yung reward allocations nating mga ka-shoppers. Talagang very transparent yung company. Hindi po yung nakuhang buong reward allocations given by the merchant, EMS lang. Walang parte yung consumer. So we share the profit to the customer. Unlike other platform, in fairness to them, they charging pa nga 25% for their merchant. Kaya lang, solo nila yung profit. Okay? Walang bahagi ang customer doon. Diba? Unlike kay EMS, livelihood, kasi hindi po kinrate si EMS, okay, para magpayaman. Kinrate si EMS with an advocacy to fight war against poverty. Kaya napakalalim po talaga ng ating advocacy with our EMS. Okay? So, gagawin lang naman ni merchant, i-scan yung QR code Suki card ni shoppers para ma-filter po yung purchases. At the same time, pwede rin naman si shopper ang mag-scan ng QR code ni merchant. But of course, merchant will approve the payment if the payment of the customer doon sa system is legit. So, ang confirmation na kay merchant po, mga ka-shoppers. Okay? Then after that, okay, ito yung mangyayari. Okay? May kita ka na sa sarili mong gastos sa lahat ng participating merchant store nationwide. So, bilang consumer, basta may nakita kang EMS sign, so nakakita ka ng QR code na merchant, tarpaulin ni merchant, signboard ni merchant, nakalagay EMS, okay, reward allocations or EMS reward, okay, accepted here. Kaya lahat ng mga shoppers natin pwedeng bumili doon. So every time bibili ka, mayroon babalik na income sa'yo. So bilang consumer, may bumabalik sa'yo. At ang maganda, different type of merchant store with one Suki card. So yung ating Suki card will become a all-in-one Suki card na po siya, mga ka-shoppers. Okay, yun yung exciting po dyan. And then once you refer a friends, talagang malaki yung benefits. Pero your percentage is depend how big the reward allocations. Okay, kung ang merchant nagbigay ng 3%, okay, 10% of 3 pesos, 0.3. Okay, incentive points. Pag si merchant nagbigay ng 5%, 0.50. Okay, personal incentive points. Pag 10%, 1 PIP, incentive points. Pag 20% naman po is 2 PIP. So, lumalaki na lumalaki, depende kung gaano ka-generous yung store owner. Kaya we will love more all the business owner because they have the generous heart to share a profit, okay, pabalik ng customer. Kaya ang customer mag-generate ng income, tataas ang buying power ng customer, at the same time, mismong customer na magpo-promote ng store mo. Why? Kasi may referral program. Kikita ka pa sa gastos ng iba. Once your friend and your friend refer also a friend who's going to become our loyal shoppers, so every time they purchase, they shop in all our participating merchant store nationwide, you will have an income. So every time namimili sila, kahit natutulog ka, kahit busy ka, kahit may trabaho ka, kahit may iba kang ginagawa, you will earn, okay, from the expenses of other. May kita sa gastos ng iba, mga ka-shoppers. Okay? Kaya ganun ka-exciting yan. Ngayon, paano ba maging member? Paano ba simulan si EMS? Unang-una, tanungin mo sa sponsor mo yung referral link, yung nag-invite sa'yo dito. Okay? And then, i-click mo yung link, i-redirect ka doon sa ating online registration. Real-time po yan. Okay? Wala naman po yung any monetary obligation upon registration. Actually, it's a pre-registered created account. So once you submit, okay, your registration, you automatically receive a confirmation and you can access your dashboard right away. Okay? So may dashboard ka na. Ngayon, active na rin yung referral link mo. You can refer as many shoppers as you can. So build as many shoppers as you can nationwide. So inform mo na lahat ng mga kaibigan mo na you encounter a system na pwede kang kumita sa gastos. So our penetration is nationwide, soon to be global. So we started in the Philippines. Okay, kaya mag-refer ka na. Ngayon, to maximize your reward, every time namimili ka sa mga participating merchant store natin kay EMS, all you have to do, okay, kay EMS, ang gagawin mo dito kay EMS, okay, is mag-activate ng Suki card, mga ka-shoppers. Okay? So our Suki card activation, yung shopper system account, is only 150 pesos. So it's a Suki card activation, okay, kay EMS, na kung saan ma-enjoy mo yung maraming opportunity. Bakit? Kasi you can have a nationwide and global income opportunity. Hindi lang basta points na nag-generate. Okay? Na magagamit mo siya doon lang sa store. Ito kasi magiging income, livelihood po talaga ito, mga ka-shoppers. Okay? Para mas lalo nating maintindihan, makita yung ganda ng platform po natin with EMS. Ngayon, ang isa pa sa mga benefits po, you have your expenses ledger. Kung saan lahat ng gastos mo recorded po sa system natin. Para yung 1,000 na nabarihan, you have an idea saan napunta. Okay, yung iyong nagastos everyday mga ka-shoppers. Okay? Para may basis ka. Ngayon, on top of the expenses ledger, ano pa mabe-benefits mo? You can also benefited from telco load. Okay? Meron tayong load all network. So, pwede ka makapag-load sa lahat ng network ko dito. Ang good news, yung nirefer mo ng mga kaibigan mo, kakilala mo, hindi mo sila bebentahan ng load. Every time they use our telco load, okay, you have an income, okay, bawat load nila. So you will earn from your own personal load and you will earn also from the load of others. So habang naglo-load sila, kumikita ka mga ka-shoppers. Ngayon, ano pa yung mga benefits mo kay EMS? Isa pa sa mga benefits natin, you can have your personal expenses, incentive points, yung sarili mong bili. At the same time, meron tayong referral expenses, incentive points. So lahat ng marerefer mo, na kaibigan mo, na kamag-anak mo, okay, na mabibuild mo na team, so you have an incentive points, mga ka-shoppers. Okay? Ngayon, ang maganda nito, meron pa po siyang referral expenses, reward points. Okay? So may incentive ka na, may reward points ka pa, mga ka-shoppers. Okay? Now, at ang maganda doon, yung reward points is convertible to cash na we withdraw po, mga ka-shoppers. Ngayon, yung incentive points naman is redeemable na pwede mong i-redeem, okay, pang-settle ng mga bills mo. Kuryente, ilaw, tubig, internet, okay, etc. Basta lahat mo ng bills, you can use your incentive points for redeem, mga ka-shoppers. Okay? Ngayon, into details, para mas lalo nating ma-picture out, okay, yung expenses ledger po natin is look like this. Okay? So you have a reportorial report of your expenses. Saan napunta? Kaninong store ka gumastos? Magkano yung ginastos mo? Ano yung pinambayad mo? Okay? At yung rewards mo. Yung magiging income mo na bumabalik sa'yo. So meron kang reportorial na yung ginastos mo, meron kang backtracking saan napunta. So we created a system, a cloud-based that you can access. Hindi yung nabariyahan yung 1,000, di mo na alam saan napunta. So ito, pwede mong balikan yung previous day mo or yung previous weeks mo kung magkano yung daily expenses mo. Actually, it's a discipline platform that will help all our shoppers, okay, to have a basis of their expenses day by day or time to time because this is a real time. Okay? Ngayon, exciting pa dyan, yung load. You can access our telco load program. This is not an ordinary telco load na nagsa-self-loading ka lang. Kasi yung na-build mo na customer, so we created a system linked to you, all your referred members down the line. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, yung friends mo nag-refer, tapos nag-refer din, nag-refer, dadami. Yung na-invite mo na 10, 5, 3, 4, nag-duplicate ng tig sa 10, naging 1,000, etc., etc. Hindi na ikaw yung magbebenta ng load. You don't need to sell the load. Lalo na kung libo-libo yan. Hindi mo kakayanin. Pero, every time they load personal, okay, kikita ka sa bawat load nila, mga ka-shoppers. Ganon ka-exciting. Okay? Ngayon, ano pa yung napakagandang meron tayo dito kay EMS? Ito po yan. So, meron tayong referral rewards. Noon pa lang sa Suki Card activations, may income potential na, mga ka-shoppers. Okay? Bawat referred members mo who are going to activate their Suki Card, sa 150 pesos Suki Card activation, you will have 25 pesos. Kaya, sa 5 invite mo, you entitled to have 125 pesos. On your second level, you are entitled to have an indirect, okay, shopper system account activation reward. 5 pesos po yan hanggang 10 level. But it has a condition. Walang quota, walang maintenance, but you need to refer minimum of 5. Para yung unlimited 5 pesos down to 10th level, ma-enjoy mo. Kasi pag isa lang invite mo, hanggang second level ka lang, pag 2 hanggang 4, pag 3 hanggang 6. Parang ang minimum 4 hanggang 8. So you need to refer Minimum of 5 para hanggang 10th level po ito. My goodness, the potential reward here is 61 million pesos. Siyempre, 150 activation yan mga ka-shoppers, di po ba? Ngayon, saan nanggagaling yung reward natin? Nanggagaling po yan sa mga merchant. So, meron tayong merchant consumer reward system. Actually, maraming mga store owner na gumagastos pa po para magkaroon sila ng reward system para babalik-balikan sila ng customer. They spending so much. Pati sa cost po ng physical card, gastos na rin po yun. That's why may bayad po yun. Binebenta nila ulit yung card. Okay? But in EMS, you don't need to do that. Wala ka na rin kailangan i-maintain pa sa system because EMS will do it everything. All you have to do is to subscribe. Pag Suki Card shoppers ka na namin, nag-150 ka, you are now entitled para sa ating merchant store cloud-based consumer reward system. So ang aming activation nito ng portal ng merchant is only 1,500 pesos. Grabe, nakaka-excite. Kasi nga, meron ka ng customer list of activation na kung saan lahat ng ma-refer mo na customer nakalock na sa'yo. And lifetime, pati pag nag-refer yan, you will not only entitled to profit on your own store sales. Kasi kahit sa ibang merchant ni EMS bumili yan, since you refer them, you will earn. Unlike sa traditional, wala. Talagang limited lang siya sa store mo. At the same time, mismong customer na po ang magpo-promote ng store mo. And ang laki na kagad ng base market mo kasi yung 42,000 in counting, sila na lahat yung magpo-promote ng store mo. And you will be listed in our merchant cloud-based directory. Na yung kasaan lahat ng shoppers, they can select a merchant store on your account. Okay? Ang maganda nito, you can set also your multiple payment channel. So, we don't collect payment mga ka-shoppers. The company is not acting as a collector or a payment aggregator. We don't collect payment sa customer in behalf of the merchant. So, we mandate all the customer will pay directly to the merchant account so that the merchant receive right away their sales. So, wala nang matitenggang benta. Hindi katulad ng ibang platform, kukunin ni platform yung bayad sa customer, then maghihintay si merchant ng settlement. Kaya, the-deliver na yung product, wala pa kay merchant yung benta. But in EMS, hindi ho ganon. Okay? The customer will pay directly kay merchant account. Kaya exciting ang broadband natin. Ngayon, si merchant has the capacity to create a product catalog. Kaya pwede na rin siyang maging online store, mga ka-shoppers. Pag na-create siya ng product catalog, mga ka-shoppers, okay, meron na rin tayo ditong sales monitoring online. Okay? So, pwedeng detailed yan kasi kung may product catalog po yan online, okay, meron siyang tinatawag na product inventory report. So, kasi ma-itemize yung item upon ordering. Pero kung gusto ka lang sa sales transaction, okay, doon na ka lang sa whole amount, pwede na po yun. Kasi kung meron existing na traditional POS, all we have to do is to get the whole amount of your payment, the sales inventory, the sales recording, okay na po yun sa mga point of sales machine na existing. Basta sa atin, reward. Because, siyempre, paano mabibase kung saan manggagaling yung points? So, we need to enter the whole amount of the payment and we will compute from that gross amount the percentage given by the merchant as agreed doon sa kontrata ni EMS at ni merchant. Okay? At ang maganda dyan, normal manual recording, it's all digital. Kaya si merchant, meron siyang recording ng kanyang benta. Alam na alam niya sinong customer yung bumili, kailan bumili, magkano binili, ano pinambayad. Okay? Kaya ang gagawin na lang ni merchant, i-mandate niya na lahat ng existing customer niya, gawin niyang shoppers ni EMS. Para lahat recorded ang benta. Kasi hindi naman natin pipilitin kung ayaw mag-shoppers pa, hindi mare-record sa system. Kasi system needs an user account ID para yung pinorchase ay matrace at matag mismo doon kay shopper. Okay? Ngayon, how do we get the percentage? Okay? Magtatap up lang si merchant ng shopping credit, example, 500 pesos. So, the allocations of the percentage depende kay merchant. If the merchant agreed sa 3%, 5%, or even 10%, so doon siya kukumputin. Doon siya i-deduct sa shopping credit mo mga ka-shoppers. So, if the merchant sales of a total of 10,000 pesos, okay? So, ililess po yung percentage po dyan. Kung kumikita siya ng 10%, 1,000 ang tubo niya. So, ang kanyang capital cost of operation is 9,000 pesos. Since nag-agree siya sa 3%, 300 will go to the EMS reward and 700 will go to the return and net profit, okay, ng store owner. So, nabawasan in that cases. Pero, sabi ko nga, is a win-win situation. You have now a loyal customer and growing. Bakit? I will refer and we will refer all shoppers to buy in your store open. Most of the time. All the time. Why? May kita na kasi sa gastos eh. At the same time, your sales will be increased double or triple or more. So if that happen, your 700 profit will become double, 1,400. So it's much bigger doon sa original profit mo. Malaki nga tubo, ito lang benta. Sabi nga ng mga Chinese, di ba liliit tubo basta dami benta. Kaya malaki yun. Kaya babalik-balikan ka ng customer. Eh ngayon, yung era ng discount, mindset na yan nung araw eh. Ito ngayon, kita sa gastos mo. Kaya magma-mindset yan sa tao. Dati e-money, ayaw nila. Digital money, maraming hesitant kasi pera sa hangin, cellphone lang gamit, baka mawala. Eh ngayon, for quite sometimes, lahat tanggap na. May e-money na. Diba? Dati sa online shopping, ayaw ng mga tao kasi pag nag-order sila, picture lang. How they are sure that the quality of the product will be delivered. Okay? Kung ano nakita mo. Sabi nga nila, magkaiba yung expectation sa reality. Diba? In-order mo ng ganito, pag diniliver, hindi pala yun yung size na gusto mo. Or yung itsurang gusto mo. Sa picture lang maganda, sa personal, hindi. O, di ba ba, mga ka-shoppers? Yan po yung mga nakikita natin dyan. But in EMS, napakaganda. Kasi, instead of giving a discount, we offer income opportunity with our platform, mga ka-shoppers. Ngayon, ang maganda dyan, once you refer a shoppers na nag-activate din ng Suki card. So, yung 5 mo, sila yung nag-150. Actually, tapos nag-merchant pa ng 1.5, you still get entitled to earn 250. Even you are not a merchant system activated kasi wala ka namang store. Pero yung direct mo, nag-activate ng 150, ikaw 150 lang, tapos nag-1.5 pa, you still get 250. Maliban dun sa 25 pesos nung nag-activate siya ng store. Kaya kung lahat yan, you will have 1,250. Condition apply pa rin to. Pag isa direct, second level, fourth level, pag dalawa direct, pag tatlo direct mo, 6 level, pag 4 hanggang 8. So, you need to have minimum of 5 Suki card activated. Para second level to 10 level, you still get 50 pesos. Kaya the potential income is huge. So, umaabot ng 610 million. Kung perfect. Eh, kung tinotal mo yan, 12 million store yan eh. So, kung hindi pa naman na-reach yan, 10% lang, 61 million. 1%, 6 million, not bad. So, malaki pa rin talagang potential income po dyan. Ibig sabihin, activation po yan ng merchant. Kaya, ang puhunan mo 150, kikita ka unlimited kay EMS. Ngayon, ang exciting pa dito kay EMS, okay? Meron pang merchant referral royalty. Hindi ka lang kikita one time sa subscriptions na 1.5. Okay? Yung merchant system activation. Ang maganda nito, pag nag-refer ka ng merchant store, doon sa 3% allocation or 5%, okay? So you have a royalty. Example, 10,000 ang benta ng merchant store at merong reward allocation na 3%. So that's 30 pesos, 300 pesos. From that 300 pesos, 2% of that goes to the referrer. Kaya you have 6 pesos on store selling 10,000 or naka-generate ng benta na 10,000. So you have 6 pesos. Okay, lifetime yan ha. Paano kung naka 100 store ka, you have 60 pesos every day. So in 30 days, 1.8 yan. Malaking tulong pang dagdag ng kuryente. Diba? So 6 pesos kung 50 store, 300. Kung 100 store, 600. Kung 200 store, 1.2. Kung 300 store, 1.8. What if you got 500 store? So you can have 3,000 pesos every day as a merchant, okay, store referral royalty, mga ka-shoppers. Okay? Ngayon, ang exciting pa nito, may referral rewards pa po yan. So yung ni-refer mo na kaibigan mo, okay, na gumagastos na araw-araw, sa halagang 2,000 na ginastos niya, ito po sample computation lang sa 2,000. Pero walang maintenance po yan. Wala ding minimum amount to purchase. Even you purchase 35 pesos, it doesn't matter. This is for the sake of computation. Okay? So from the 5%, 100 pesos yun eh. Okay? 10% goes to the person who buy. Ito naman, 20%, so unlimited credit points. Kasi meron pang incentive po. Okay? Points, budget. At meron din pong bonus credit points. So, total niyan, 50%, 20, 20, 10. So, dito sa 20%, out of the 100 allocation, 20 pesos will be breakdown up to the 15 level. So, from the 20%, 20 pesos, sa first level mo, you got 30% of 20 pesos. Hahatiin kasi yung reward allocation. Okay, naka-referral tayo hanggang 15 level ng mga customer na na-refer mo. Kaya, sa 20 pesos, 30% of that is 6 pesos. Okay? And then from that 6 pesos, kung kukumputin mo yung basis na yan para magkaroon tayo ng idea, sa 5, so you have total of 30 pesos. Sa second level mo naman, which is 25 yung member mo, 5% of 20 pesos, that is 1 peso. Kaya, pag na-duplicate talaga yan hanggang 10th level, 5 by 5, sa piso-piso pa lang, every shoppers, you are entitled to earn 12.2 million pesos. Grabe, laki ng potential. So 12 million po yan mga ka-shoppers. Hindi na ako mapipigilan yan. At yan po ay palaki na ng palaki at palaki ng palaki ng palaki ng palaki. Kasi kita po sa gastos yan. Okay? Hindi natatapos sa 10th level yan kasi that is all the way up to 15 level mga ka-shoppers. Okay? Ganon ka-exciting yan. Ngayon, ang maganda nito, paano yung team members mo hindi lang gumagastos sa ganon, gumagastos pa sa load. Ito yung sinasabi ko. What if sa isang buwan, bawat load yan ng 30 pesos, 50 pesos na data, nag-expire. What if, gumastos na lang yan at kumita ka ng piso, okay, every month. O you have 5 pesos every month sa 5. Nag-duplicate ng 25, so you have 25 pesos. Total 30 pesos every month. Sabi ko nga, 1 peso every month, worst scenario. So hanggang 10th level, so you can have a potential of 12.2 million. Kita sa load mo at load ng iba. Kaya exciting po yan mga ka-shoppers. Okay? Ngayon, ang maganda lang dito kay EMS, but wait, there's more. So ini-introduce namin yung EMS Fast Start Privilege. Okay? Yung kanina po, Suki Card. Para po sa pangkalahatan yon mga ka-shoppers. Okay? Anything, mga networker, mga empleyado, mga real consumers, mga gumagastos araw-araw, mga businessman. Okay? Suki Card kasi yun eh. Kasi 110 million is consumers. Okay? Ngayon, dito sa Fast Start Privilege natin, kinrate namin to cater other companies. Kasi, nakapag-usap kami na we have a ready system to cater their product. May maganda kasi silang product, wala ng system, walang marketing plan, overpayout. Kung hindi nagsasara yung kumpanya, nagpapalit ng complan. Hindi po ba? Parang sa effort ng consumer nawawala. Ang nangyayari kasi is, they join other company at CMS ginagawa. Ang problema, nagsasara yung mga sinalihang kumpanya. Naghahanap sila ng immediate income. So they want to have in EMS an exciting immediate income na magbibigay sa kanila ng long-term income. Diba? Kasi siyempre, kala nila, ang kitaan kay EMS yung 150 lang. Sabi ko, we have Fast Start Privilege. So we will introduce the Fast Start Privilege na potential income. Okay? Tapos, i-cater natin lahat ng iba't ibang product na ibang company, basta po qualified sila sa ating requirements. So they need to pass all documentations para ma-accept. Kasi ang ganda na ng system natin, ready na system natin eh. So kailangan they maintain quality of the product pag pinasok ko kay EMS as our merchant company supplier partner. Okay? So ngayon, ang maganda nito, there's a company was a complete documents. Kaya naging partner po natin sila kay EMS. So they are the supplier of the product, pinasok po kay EMS na magagamit po natin sa EMS eMall at the same time dito sa Fast Start Privilege Package. So different products, okay? Multi-products from different companies na i-cater po ni EMS. So that's why darating yung time talaga kay EMS, multiple products, multiple company in one great system. Kaya napaka-exciting yan mga ka-shoppers. Ito po, ino-offer din natin ito sa mga networker. Kaya kung kayo ay networker and then you are looking for a long-term company na talagang pagod na at naghahanap kayo ng totoong kumpanya, hindi yung bukas-sarang kumpanya. Hindi yung walang matibay na system, puro pay-in lang. Papadamahin ka sa umpisa, then after that, nawawala na yung kumpanya. Okay? Hindi stable. Walang ready system, hindi pang long-term yung program. But in EMS, this is designed to stay for a lifetime po, mga ka-shoppers. Okay? Kaya nga, nag-trial and error kami ng more than 10 years. Okay, sobrang nakaka-excite talaga yung platform po natin with EMS. Now, ito po ay optional lang. This is for all networker na naghahanap ng immediate income. We need to cater them also. Hindi naman kasi dinesign si EMS for a certain organization lang. EMS is designed for all. Kaya lahat po ng hahanapin nyo po, pinoprovide po natin in one system. Hindi siya magkaiba. Connect po siya sa loob ng platform. Okay, yung iba kasi, nung nag-overpay out, nag-change ng comp plan, nagkalagay ng panibagong reward system, kaya lang panibagong pay-in, panibagong encoding, panibagong structuring. Para nag-umpisa ka ulit ng bagong kumpanya. Hindi ka nagpalit ng kumpanya, nagpalit naman ng system. Kaya EMS hindi. For the last 3 years, and attested po lahat ng mga members natin dyan. Okay, yung mga 3 years members na natin, kay EMS. Diba? During pandemic pa yun, ha? 2021, 22. Eh, kailan lang naman medyo naging okay, last year lang, 2022, up to present. Di po ba? Kaya, this is an optional. If you are truly blooded networker, this presentation is for you. Okay, extension natin. Okay, ngayon, meron tayo ditong starter bronze privilege account. So, mag-avail ka lang ng starter bronze privilege package. It's a product purchase. Actually, mamimili ka ng product choices. So may mga upcoming pa na ibang mga product from other company. If that's officially on board already, kasi meron tayong trace mineral, may magnesium, may coffee, may lotion, may sabon, may perfume. Okay? At marami pang iba. Actually, naka-line up more than 30 years. Kaya lang, kailangan pumasa muna kasi ang dami ho namin tinanggal ng mga supplier po that they can provide any legal documents ng kanilang produkto. That's why tinurn down ho namin. Kayo mga nauna po talaga, okay, advice ng legal counsel talaga namin ay i-hold na muna yung pag-deliver ng product. Okay, kasi dapat kailangan yung i-deliver natin yung continuity ng supply. Hindi yung basta nakapag-deliver tayo ng product. Okay, kasi chinek namin eh. Kasi we're so excited nung nakaraan. So parang since magkakakilala, the problem there is, okay, medyo maluwang. Ngayon po, nag-fit yung ating legal counsel, nag-fit yung ating quality department, yung ating research department team. So that's why medyo, ano po talaga, naging meticuloso po kami. And itong company na to, matagal na itong company na to, and their product is so good. Okay, isa po sa mga choices po ng product package natin. Okay, so we have 1,000 product package. Nangunguna po dyan, we have a Robusta Plus. In a bottle form, it's a juice form. Grabe, ang daming mga benefits po yan. So meron tayong video clips po niyan. Okay, na susunod po gagamitin natin. At the same time, a message. Okay, from the owner. Okay, so we will meet. Dapat kahapon may event kasi kami. So that's why the other day kami mag-set na schedule. Okay, naka-sign MOA na po ito. Okay, so papakita namin sa inyo yung sign MOA para you have a idea na we are partner with this company. Okay, so product nila is juice. Okay, so ito po yung gagamitin natin na produkto doon sa starter bronze. 2 bottles po niyan para sa starter bronze. And you can choose also yung kanilang powder form. Nakabox naman po yan. Okay? It's a 10 sachet, sublingual type. Lalagyan mo sa ilalim po ng dila para magkaroon po isa stem cell type use po. Talagang lalagyan mo sa ilalim ng dila. Maganda po yan sa cell regeneration. Okay? Or you want a combination. So, pwede pong isang bottle at saka isang box. So, only that for 1,000 pesos. Pag nag-avail ka na yan, automatic, you are activated to starter bronze account mga ka-shoppers. Okay? Ngayon, ang maganda pa dyan, meron tayong referral rewards. So, lahat ng di-refer mo na nag-activate ng ating starter bronze privilege package, so you're entitled to earn 300 pesos. Kaya if you are looking for immediate income, okay, ito po, napakababa po ng ating product package purchase. Only 1,000 pesos. Grabe, 300 pesos agad. Eh kung araw-araw ka makakuha ng bawat direct, so imaginein mo, in 30 days, you can have 9,000 pesos. Paano kung naka-refer ka ng 5? Okay? So that's 1,500 pesos. Actually, withdrawable po yan daily. Okay? Paano kung naka-10? You can have 3,000. Paano kung naka-20? You can have 6,000 pesos or more. Ang good news po dito kay EMS, okay? Yung direct referral na 300 pesos. Kasi may mga, baka magtanong po service 150 lang ako. I don't have budget for the 1,000, okay, starter bronze package. Okay? Tapos, nauna yung direct mo. Siyempre, ikaw at least nagsuki card ka ng 150. Diba? Tapos, nag-150 yung direct mo, you got 25 pesos. Tapos yung direct mo pa, nag-1,000 pa. Okay? Even you are 150 only, you still get 300 pesos. Grabe. Puhunan mo 150. Tapos yung direct mo, nag-150, you got 25. Tapos nag-1,000, you got 300. 325 kagad ang income. Nako, ang laking kaalwanan po yan sa atin lahat mga kasama. Sabi ko, hindi naman kailangan natin magpayaman Maging financial stable lang tayo na mas malaki yung kinikita sa ginagastos. Kaya kung 5 yung na-refer mo, you're entitled to get 1.5. Sa second level mo indirect, you still get 5 pesos. Down to the 10th level. Kaya, another 61 million potential income on top of another 61 million na nauna doon sa Suki card na 150 pesos po natin. Kaya exciting ito. Talagang i-enjoyin talaga natin yung potential ng income po dito kay EMS. Okay? Ngayon, hindi lang po yan naghihintay sa atin. Okay? Kasi ano yan starter bronze yan mga ka-shoppers Tapos 150 Suki card activation and merchant system activations. Okay? Ang good news yan, ito po ay referral. Direct tsaka indirect. Unlimited wide yan, minimum of 5. Okay? Ngayon, meron pa tayong shopper system account activated. Dual shopping reward. Itong dual shopping reward natin, ito ba yung mga nagsuki card na 150? Okay? So meaning, pag nag-150 ka pala, meron pa ditong additional income. Unlimited 50 pesos, dual shopping reward for every 500 BCP. Bonus credit points po yan from Shoppers Team A and Shoppers Team B. Sa 150 pesos, pag may nag-telco loan, may nag-system activation, may nag-merchant activation, nag-purchase sa merchant store, yung bonus credit points will be credited to your account. So, sabihin, nag-iipon po ng points. So, every time nagpo-purchase Family Team A and Family Team B, okay, once it was accumulated to 500, any moment, real time, you will get 50 pesos. So, unlimited po yan. Ito po ay puhunan na 150. Kung 150 ka lang. Diba? So, ibig sabihin, merong mga magwa 1,000 sa ilalim mo Okay? So, pag privilege package yung inavail, yung BCP noon, hindi akakarga sa'yo. Okay? At yung 150 pesos mo can earn a potential of 1,638,350 pesos. Mga ka-shoppers. Unlimited din hanggat hindi po umaabot sa 1,638,000 tuloy ang iyong dual shopping reward. Okay? Walang daily flash out po yan, mga ka-shoppers. Okay? Walang reactivation. Walang leveling, mga ka-shoppers. Walang number of direct requirements para ma-enjoy mo yung ganitong income. No maintenance, no minimum encashment, no quota. Okay? So, no daily flash out. Grabe, sobrang nakakaganda talagang platform. No PIP pair. So, talagang straight yung unlimited 50 pesos. Diba? So, iba naman, malaki nga ang pairing. Ang problema, over-payout naman. Ito, perfect lang po ito. Once na-reach yung 1,638,350, hanggang doon na lang. All you have to do is to upgrade. Saan? Yung starter bronze natin. So, sayang naman. Kasi it will increase up to 3,495,250 pesos. Unlimited. Ganun din. Basta nakabuild ka ng family team, may family team, tuloy-tuloy na yan. Kaya, manonotify ka na lang ng system, lagi kang may 50 pesos. Kahit oras-oras, kahit minuto, kahit segundo. Once it reaches 500 BCP, automatic na po yun. Kaya lang, pag na-reach mo yung 3,495,000, huwag kayong malungkot kasi you can still upgrade your accounts. Pag 150 ka, 1.6 million. Pag starter bronze ka, yung 1,000, 3.4 million. Then pag na-reach mo yan, upgrade ka to Silver Shopper, mag-purchase ka lang ng 3,150 product package purchase. You're entitled na up to 10.4 million. Okay? Kaya kung gold shopper ka, entitled ka up to 17.4. Pag platinum ka, hanggang 434.9. Pag na-reach mo yung diamond shopper account, you have a potential of 52.4 million pesos. At that's monthly. Kasi perfect triangle na po yan. And then, uulitin lang siya month by month, mga ka-shopper. Pero, hindi kailangan maghintay na isang buwan to get an income. Real time pa rin yan sa dashboard. Kaya 3 times a day pa rin ang encashment po niyan, mga ka-shoppers. Ang good news po, okay? Pag diamond ka, unlimited na po yan. That can reach up to 52,428,750 pesos. Ito po ay sa dual shopping reward lang. Wala pa yung direct, indirect, yung unilevel shopping reward, wala pa yun. Another income yun kay EMS with same actual purchase. Diba? Ngayon, talagang lahat tayo kikita ng malaki dito kay EMS. Seryosohin natin ito. Ang good news po nito, meron pa tayong redeem shopping incentive points. Naalala nyo yun, nag-purchase kanina ng 2,000. 10% of that from the 100 pesos goes to unlimited incentive points. Na kung saan, bawat 10 incentive points budget, 30% ka dyan, so meron kang 3 incentive points. Eh kung 5 yan, that is 15 incentive points. Sa second level mo, 5%. So 0.50 incentive points down the line, sa computation natin dito hanggang 10th level, so you have a potential of 6.1 million incentive points up to 15 levels. Okay? Hindi lang dyan, di ba nag-activate po ng starter bronze yung 1,000? May incentive points na rin po yun. Every activated na 1,000, yung ating starter bronze, yung direct mo sa 5, so you have 5 incentive points. So total, you have 25 incentive points. Actually, that will be up to 10 level. So your incentive points then will increase up to 61 million pesos. Minimum of 5. Paano kung marami kang direct? Okay? May 6, may 7. So you can earn beyond that. Pero 61 million is 61 million that you can use to redeem to any participating merchant store. Meron naman, nag-auction ng damit, garment, sapatos. Okay? Co-convert mo lang, lagyan mo lang ng incentive points mo. So, on behalf of the merchant, 1:1 ang value din po yun sa kanya. Okay? Kasi pag-a-apply po siya ng merchant redeem store, okay? Then pag nag-approve, pwede na. Pag hindi, hindi siya makakasama. Okay? So, pwede kayo mag-auction ng mga souvenir items, mga gadget and appliances. Pwede po existing product and services niyo po. Diba, pagupit. Diba? Wala naman kayong cost of product doon, kuryente lang. At saka yung gamit. So, kung 80 pesos singil mo, gawin mo 80 incentive points.
So yun exchange ng shoppers natin, mga ka-shoppers. Okay? Ganyan siya dinesign. Ngayon, ang good news pa dyan, kay merchant, pag na-redeem mo yan, you can convert. Okay? Your incentive points, okay, saan? Pwede po siyang pang-shopping wallet, activate ng mga Suki card. So, kunin mo yung cash, transferan mo ng shopping wallet. So, automatically, okay, activated na yung bagong members mo. Okay, pwede rin siyang i-convert sa shopping credit para hindi ka na magta-top up ng pang-reward allocation. Or kung yung mga shopper naghahanap ng mapapaloadan, you can convert, okay, your incentive points to Telco wallet ni shopper. Okay? Of course, you can also use that for redeem lifestyle. Mga gadget and appliances, internal na po ito kay EMS, hindi na po sa merchant yan. Pwede rin bahay, lupa, sasakyan. Basta kasya na yung equivalent incentive points, you can avail that redeem lifestyle. Okay? At isa pa dyan sa exciting, yung redeem bill settlement. Kuryente, ilaw, tubig, contribution sa SS, pag-ibig, kahit yung loan. Okay? Before the due date, kailangan ma-process mo account number, account name, okay? Amount, saka due date. Yun yung 4 major lang na kailangan po na system. Then after that, wait for the 48 hours to process. Is an incentive. Kaya bawal dito yung due date na kasi baka paputol eh. Hindi na mapaprocess yun ni admin. Okay, then you will receive a confirmation that your settlement or bills has been processed. Then after that, pag-confirm na ng payment accepted, okay, so automatic another notification that your payment has been settled already. Hindi na sa process. Okay, kaya hindi yung lahat ng reference papakita rin sa'yo. I-upload mo lang. Paano kung due date na? Bayaran mo na. Okay, kasi hindi na mapaprocess ng system. Okay? So, gagawin mo na lang, upload the paid receipt. May consideration pa naman kami. Refundable. Okay? Yung iyong bills. Okay? Kay EMS, mga ka-shoppers. Okay? So, ang maganda dyan, yung business po natin ay hindi ho pang short term. Okay? Lahat ng pinaghirapan mo, hindi ka na mamumroblema because if something happened to you, it will be passed on to your wife. So siya mag-continue ng account mo, ng income mo, ng benefits mo, everything under your control, mapupunta sa asawa mo kasi siya yung declared beneficiary mo. Okay, something happened to your wife, sa anak, tapos sa apo, up to the next generation. Actually, your account will be, okay, your account and all benefits from rewards and incentive, it will be passed on to your generation to generation. So, and it is legacy to your family. Kaya malaking tulong ito if you're looking for security of your family and the next generation. EMS is the right answer, mga ka-shopper. Lahat ng pinaghirapan, hindi masasayang. Okay? And our payout, grabe, 3 times a day, multiple times. So, in cash ka lang ng 8 a.m., ipaprocess after 1 hour, bago mag-alas 12, nandiyan na. 12 noon, second cut-off, process ng 1 hour, bago mag-5, nandiyan na. And then 5 p.m., process. Tuloy-tuloy po yan hanggang gabi. Okay? Monday to Friday. Multiple encashment. Except Saturday and Sunday. Kung hindi na available yung cash fund natin, kasi mag-withdraw pa sa bank, Monday na. Okay? Pero kung available din yung ibang mga cash-in outlet, okay? At saka mga online transfer, automatic yun. Pwede po kahit Sabado-Linggo po mga ka-shoppers. Okay? So, dyan tayo nagtatapos sa ating mga presentations. Grabe, sobrang nakaka-excite po yung platform po natin. Talagang napakaganda. Kaya pag ito po talagang napagtulong-tulungan talaga natin, malaki po talaga ang masusolve po sa atin, mga ka-shoppers. So, unahin po natin yung ating mga kapamilya, yung ating mga kamag-anak, mga kaibigan, malapit sa buhay, na mapakinggan po nila itong advocacy po natin. Kita sa gastos mo at sa gastos ng ibang mga ka-shoppers. Kaya kung kayo po ay may mga kakilala or hawak na organization, okay? So, i-join nyo na sila kay EMS. So, magparami tayo ng consumers community and merchant. Kaya kung may mga company, organizations, okay, LGU, i-share nyo na yung platform po natin para mas marami tayong matulungan na mas mabilis ng mga ka-shoppers natin na maging financially stable po. Okay, ganun kaganda po ang platform po natin with EMS. Kaya very exciting po. Napakaganda talaga ng ating platform. Okay? Then if you have some questions, pwede kayong mag-inquire. Okay, mag-message po sa amin para masagot po namin ang lahat ng inyong mga katanungan mga ka-shoppers. Okay? So naway, magparami tayo ng mga shoppers at saka merchant all over the country. Tulungan po tayo na malabanan ng kahirapan. So ito na po ang solusyon sa kahirapan, mga ka-shoppers. It's a fight, war against poverty. We don't compete, we make alliances, we collaborate. Okay, so tulungan po tayo, tuloy-tuloy po tayo, walang ibang magtutulungan po kundi tayo po lahat, mga ka-shoppers. So iwasan na ingitan, ang samaan ng loob, tayo po ay magtulungan na lang, let's unite. Okay, so kaya tayo po ay lagi magpapasalamat sa Panginoon sa lahat ng gabay niya na ibinibigay sa ating lahat, mga ka-shoppers. So salamat po sa Diyos, and to God all be the glory, mga ka-shoppers. God bless us all.